Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Now it's new music time. Reggae artist Pro Today dropped his 5th studio album. At a live launch party held on Instagram last night for the project In Search of Lost Time, Pro Today gave fans an exclusive preview of the tracks. The Unruly Boss Popcorn and reggae acts Kabaka Pyramid, Jesse Royal and members of his Indignation Collective including Lila Ike also joined in on the celebration. In Search of Lost Time consists of 10 tracks and boasts collaborations with Lila Ike, the Grammy Kid Coffee, the Unruly One Popcorn as well as rapper Wiz Khalifa. The album marks his first project since being signed to RCA Records and follows his Grammy-nominated album A Matter of Time, released back in 2018. Now still on new releases, Singy Singy, that Tarrus Riley also dropped his healing project today.
The project features 12 tracks and sees Tarrus teaming up with longtime collaborator Conscience on Connect Again, Shensia and Russian on Lighter, TJ and Dean Fraser on Babylon Warfare, and Dexter Daps on My Fire.
Back in August, Tarrus hosted a private listening session for healing. The project aims on giving listeners much-needed inspiration during this COVID-19 pandemic. Check out the albums.
And Fame Frequency moves to 10:30 p.m. this Saturday on RETV and Fame to make way for the final debates. The Jenna edition will see none other than our very own GM Mrs. Claire Grant and Rashima Kelly of Smirnoff spinning their favorite songs, backed by some of your favorite DJs, Narity and Donovan Dakers. TVJ and Rated Jamaica join in the party at 11 p.m. after our post-debate show. See you then.
That's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.